Hello and very welcome to a new video. Today I would like to introduce my latest plugin, which is called the UPLIFTER. And it's specifically designed for building transitions and drops and risers. And I always try, if I develop a plugin, to build something which I use by myself. So it's designed out of my own needs, so to say. And I really find it super annoying producing a track and then you have always built the transitions from scratch. That means you end up hours for building LFO, modulation, pitch rises and all that stuff. And most you end up with a similar setup. So I thought that might be a good idea to put everything which is necessary to do that in one plugin. So you have 3 sound slots with 8 effect slots, which means 24 modulated effects per node. That means in total you have 19 sound sources per channel, 7 oscillators, 3 noise colors and 8 wavetables. You can pick them here. Also, you have in total 52 factory presets. And let me just show you how it works and how it sounds. First of all, you can pick one sound source. Let's say you pick a simple sine wave and then you draw a note here in the DAW and let's give it a play and solo it because we just want to listen to this. It's a simple sine. Let's go here, probably 2 octaves lower, and then here you can tune it. You can also pan it. You can also change volume. And here, for example, if you want to have a pitch up, you can just select pitch. By the way, you can here change the bars. Let's go to 4 bars. Then it fits to this pattern size here, to this block size. You have a sidechain over here. You can also change the amount. You can change the spread, the stereo spread here, and also high pass filter. This is a general high pass filter, dry wet, limiter, and master. And what you can also do is you can change here the curves. So there are different pre-designed curves here. Also, you can do custom waves. You can add filter. So there's 2 filter, for example, low pass filter or high pass filter, or a combination out of that. Let's stick with the low pass here. Probably let's choose another, which is more another sound source, which is this is stairs. Let's go for exponential. Then let's add a bit crusher. And no, let's add a low pass. And place it here. And add a crusher. Little bit of reverb. and some frequency shifting, and auto pen. And you have a separate dry and wet for each channel. So this is just the white noise part, and as you can imagine, we can now add the second layer for, let's say, this wavetable. So you get the idea. I think it's super handy, and you can build like in seconds nice fitting risers. Also, there's a couple of presets here. Let's give it a listen. The cool thing is that it's not just a sample. You can like adjust it by your own taste. Also, the length, as it is a MIDI note, is super tight. You don't have to stretch it, and then it starts sounding weird. What's also cool is you can also load a sample if you want, a wave, MP3, and then load it in as a sound source, which is also a nice feature, I think. So yeah, let's go through some more. So you get the idea, no more tedious layering of effect chains. You have everything in one plugin and just with one note. You can download it from my Kreuzberg Audio web shop. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.